how to find downloaded videos on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorial. Have you downloaded numerous videos on YouTube but cannot find them to watch? In today's video, I will show you two of the best ways to find your downloaded content on YouTube. One while being online and the other while being offline. Without further ado, let's get started with the first method of finding downloaded videos on YouTube while being online. As you can see, I'm currently connected to the internet. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on the home page. Tap on the U tab available at the bottom. First and foremost, make sure you are on the correct account. If not, tap on the switch account button to switch between accounts. Once you are on the correct account, scroll down to the bottom. Then, you will see the option for downloads. Tap on it. Under the Your Download section, you will see all your downloaded videos that are available for offline viewing. Currently, I have 3 downloaded videos that I can watch offline. If you haven't downloaded any videos, then you won't see the Your Download section and may instead get a message that says your downloads will appear here. Just below the download section, you will see recommended downloads. Please don't get confused. These are just suggestions from YouTube based on a watch and search history. You can only download these videos while being online. Unless you tap the download icon on the right side of each video, these videos are not available offline. And that's how you find downloaded videos on YouTube while being online. Now let's move on to the second method, and that is finding downloaded videos on YouTube while being offline. As you can see, I have turned off Wi-Fi and I'm not connected to any kind of network like mobile data or hotspot. My device is completely offline at this moment. Now open YouTube on your device. YouTube will automatically detect your offline status and redirect you to the downloads page. As mentioned earlier, videos under the Your Download section are playable offline, whereas the ones under recommended downloads are just suggestions from YouTube. They are not downloaded and cannot be played offline. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two of the best methods to find downloaded content on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.